In remembrance of thy suffering, Lord, these emblems we partake. When thyself thou gavest an offering, dying for the sinner's sake, we forgiven as thou biddest all who've trespassed against us. Lord, forgive as we forgiven all thou seest amiss in us. Purify our hearts, our Savior, let us go not far astray, that we may be counted worthy of thy Spirit day by day. When temptations are before us, give us strength to overcome. Always guard us in our wanderings till we leave our earthly home. When thou comest in thy glory to this earth to rule and reign, and with faithful ones partakest of the bread and wine again, may we be among the number, worthy to surround the board, and partake anew the emblems of the Son.